Welcome to the first instalment of a new mini-series covering our JS01 J1939 to NMEA 2000 engine data gateway. Today, we'll be covering how to connect the JS01 to your existing J1939 CAN bus system. One important note to take is that we are using a CAN bus simulator in this video for demonstration purposes only. The JS01 is designed to connect in between the existing connection from the engine's J1939 system and instrument panel. It can then convert the engine data to NMEA 2000, while also maintaining the J1939 data for the existing instruments, keeping full operations. Connecting is simple. First, ensure all power is switched off, and then disconnect the original J1939 connection, then place the mouthful plug into the engine side until an audible click is noted, and the looped female side into the instrument panel, not shown in this example. Then, connect the NMEA 2000 cable to a backbone and repower. The LED indicator will be a solid green when powered. In this example, we are using software to produce and communicate the same J1939 data streams, which would normally be produced on the network. Once data has begun transferring, the LED indicator will flash green. You can see on the IS-10 that the data has been successfully converted to N2K and is being shown. Using an Android device, we can connect to the JS01 using Bluetooth and the application found on our website. This will allow you to set alarms, change engine instance for when multiple engines are connected to the same NMEA 2000 network, update firmware, and as we can see here, view the live data. Stay tuned for future episodes covering updating the firmware and configuring using the application. As always, stay safe and happy sailing.